Are you tired of scrubbing your driveway for hours and still not getting it clean? A good pressure washer can do in 10 minutes what takes you an entire afternoon by hand. In this video, we're breaking down the 10 best pressure washers on the market right now, covering power, flow rate, design, and value, so you can pick the right one without wasting a single dollar. Number 1. Westinghouse EPX 3500 Electric Pressure Washer. The Westinghouse EPX 3500 kicks off our list as one of the strongest electric options you can buy today. It delivers 2,500 pounds per square inch with a 1.76 gallons per minute flow rate, powered by a quiet induction motor that lasts longer than most budget alternatives. The anti-tipping design and compact Pro-style frame make it incredibly stable during use. It also comes with 5 quick connect nozzle tips, giving you serious flexibility for different surfaces and tasks. Setup is straightforward, and the 25-foot hose gives you good reach without dragging the unit around constantly. If you want serious electric power with smart engineering, this is a top-tier pick. Next up, the Westinghouse EPX 3050 is a step down in power but still a very capable machine. It puts out 2,100 pounds per square inch and matches the EPX 3500 with the same 1.76 gallons per minute flow rate, making it efficient for everyday home cleaning jobs. The 25-foot hose and 4 nozzle tips cover most of what the average homeowner needs. What makes this model shine is its balance between portability and performance. It's lighter and easier to move around than the higher-powered models, without feeling underpowered on patios or siding. A great mid-range pick if you don't need maximum force. Coming in at number 3, the LWQ pressure washer is making some bold claims, advertising up to 4,000 psi and a 2.6 GPM flow rate at a budget-friendly price. It also comes bundled with a foam cannon, which is a nice bonus if you like doing car washes or soapy surface cleaning. Multiple spray tips are included right out of the box. Now, with budget models like this, it's always smart to take the max PSI number with a grain of salt, since real-world performance often differs from advertised specs. That said, for light to medium cleaning on a tight budget, the LWQ offers a lot of accessories for the price. A decent budget-friendly option with extras included. Number 4. Westinghouse EPX 3100V Electric Pressure Washer. The Westinghouse EPX 3100 volts brings something unique to the table. A detachable cart design that gives you flexibility most electric washers just don't offer. It runs at 2,300 pounds per square inch with a 1.76 gallons per minute flow rate, landing it solidly in the mid-range performance category. The detachable frame means you can take the unit off the cart and store it more compactly when not in use. This versatility makes it especially useful if you have limited garage or storage space. The PSI is strong enough to tackle driveways, fencing, and outdoor furniture without any trouble. A versatile pick for homeowners who want convenience alongside solid cleaning power. Halfway through our list, the York pressure washer makes a splash with its claimed 4,200 pounds per square inch and 2.6 gallons per minute output, among the highest advertised numbers in this roundup. It features lockable wheels for stability on uneven surfaces and comes with a foam tank built right in. That combination of features is pretty impressive for the price point it sits at. As with all high PSI budget claims, we'd recommend doing your own research before using it on sensitive surfaces like wood decking or car paint. But for tougher jobs like concrete cleaning, the extra pressure headroom can definitely come in handy. A high-pressure budget option with convenient design features. Number 6. Folding Electric Pressure Washer. The floating pressure washer takes a different approach by offering an adjustable multi-level pressure system, making it one of the most adaptable units on this list. Instead of locking you into one PSI setting, you can dial up or down based on the surface you're cleaning. It also includes a 500 milliliter foam tank for soapy applications like car washing. This kind of adjustability is something a lot of washers just don't offer, and it makes the floating feel more thoughtful than its peers in this price range. Whether you're blasting grime off concrete or gently rinsing flower pots, the flexibility is genuinely useful. A smart pick if you clean a wide variety of surfaces regularly. Number 7. Greenworks GPW 2000 Electric Pressure Washer. The Greenworks GPW 2000 may not top the charts on raw power, but it earns its spot through brand reliability and consistent performance. At 2,000 pounds per square inch and 1.2 gallons per minute, it handles lighter residential tasks like decks, patio furniture, and vehicles without any fuss. Greenworks is a trusted name in outdoor power tools, and this model reflects that reputation. It uses a universal motor that's easy to maintain and widely supported by the brand's service network. If you want a no-drama, plug-and-go machine from a brand that stands behind its products, this one delivers exactly that. A reliable entry-level choice from a brand you can trust. Now we're stepping into a completely different league. The Westinghouse WPX 3400 is the only gas-powered unit on our list, and it means serious business. Pumping out 3,400 pounds per square inch with a 2.6 gallons per minute flow rate, driven by a robust 212 cubic centimeter OHV engine. This machine is built for heavy-duty jobs. Think large driveways, farm equipment, or stripping paint. You don't need a power outlet, so you can take it anywhere and tackle jobs that would overwhelm any electric unit. The trade-off is that it's louder, heavier, and requires fuel and more maintenance. But when you need maximum raw cleaning power, nothing on this list comes close. The ultimate pick for serious, large-scale cleaning jobs. Number 9. Craftsman CMEPW 1700 Electric Pressure Washer. The Craftsman CMEPW 1700 is one of the most beginner-friendly options on this entire list. Running at 1,700 pounds per square inch and 1.2 gallons per minute, it's gentle enough for cars, outdoor furniture, and light deck cleaning without the risk of accidental surface damage. The compact design makes it super easy to store and carry around. Craftsman is a brand with decades of trust behind it, and even at this entry-level price, the build quality feels solid. If you're buying your first pressure washer and just want something reliable to start with, this is a fantastic starting point. Perfect for beginners or apartment dwellers with light cleaning needs. Rounding out our list is the legendary Sunjo SPX 3000, one of the best-selling pressure washers on Amazon for good reason. It delivers 2,030 pounds per square inch with a 1.76 gallons per minute flow rate, powered by a 14.5 ampere motor that punches above its weight class. Thousands of 5-star reviews back up its reputation as a dependable everyday machine. The Sunjo SPX 3000 hits that sweet spot of performance, price, and reliability that most shoppers are looking for. It handles driveways, siding, decks, and vehicles without breaking a sweat, and the brand has a solid support network if you ever need help. If you want a proven, time-tested best pressure washer that just works, the Sunjo SPX 3000 is hard to beat. So there you have it, the 10 best pressure washers for every budget and need. If we had to crown 2 winners, the Westinghouse EPX 3500 takes the top spot for electric power, while the WPX 3400 dominates for heavy-duty gas performance. Check the links in the description for the best current prices. Which one caught your eye? Drop a comment below. We'd love to know. And if this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a review. See you in the next one.